Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in harmony with Bittrex, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Bittrex website at www.bittrex.com. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button located in the upper right hand corner. Fill out the registration form with your email address and a strong password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link from Bittrex. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once activated, return to the Bittrex website and log in using your email and password. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Begin the identity verification process by navigating to the Settings section. Submit the required documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Wait for Bittrex to review your documents and approve your account. Once verified, deposit funds into your account by clicking the Wallets tab. Select the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to deposit. Follow the instructions to transfer funds from your bank or wallet. After your funds are credited, go to the Markets tab to view available cryptocurrencies. Choose a cryptocurrency you are interested in investing in. Click on the selected market to view its details. Review the price chart and relevant data to make an informed decision. If you're ready to buy, click the Buy button. Select the order type you want to use, such as a market or limit order. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and review the transaction details. Confirm your purchase to execute the trade. Once your order is complete, head to the Wallets tab to see your new holdings. Monitor the performance of your investments regularly. Consider implementing stop-loss orders to manage risk. If you decide to sell, return to the market for the cryptocurrency. Click the Sell button, select your order type, and enter the amount you wish to sell. Confirm the sale to complete the transaction. Always stay informed about market trends and news that could impact your investments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.